Hey, by the way, gang, this was recorded in Mexico. We still in Mexico right now.
Skinny nigga, fat rat, staying the fuck up out the way. White rims inside my blunt, that bitch burning like some sage. No, I ain't doing shit.
It's gonna be the last cold strap, but I mean it's warm out here, so it's the last warm strap with the regular chips on there and the resonators on. You already got a mere muffler a week. Same color as the car. Yeah, these is a 4-inch. I think these 4-inch outlet. That's probably like a 3-inch. Yeah, see it. Damn, I should've came challenging. You would have been faster. Like that, it's backwards. Somebody's car? Yes, the body shop. Sheesh. You know it's a track when you see them yellow Brembos. That thing hard. I mean, the color the glizzy got on this one. Dang, bro. That boy got that wide body on it. Sheesh, that mug is tough. Do you hear me? Got the carbon fiber stripes though. Wide body mahogany. Oh, wide body, whenever the wide bodies came out. He got blue flames in his He be smoking them tires.
That new vent too.
Go ahead, Carl. They sticking out they probably sticking out farther than he wanted them. I don't know.
Alright, YouTube, so I fully straight piped my car. Y'all a good view of how it looks. It's the tips. Yes, sir. They kind of dirty now. My car been popping a lot, so it's been doing nothing but black, you know, all that dirt and stuff. But yeah, ain't no resonators back there. The mid's gone. You just gotta cut the cats next, but you know that's gonna hold off. But yeah, how it look though, y'all? Do it look good? And I put the stickers on the windows. I put the stickers on the windows, man. I had to, you know what I'm saying, brand myself. But how we looking, y'all? Y'all fucking with it? Yeah. About to get y'all some flybys. We about to get y'all some flybys. Hey, by the way, gang, this was recorded in Mexico. We still in Mexico right now. But yeah, the tips is definitely crazy. The tips definitely crazy. Yeah. Y'all gonna see all the process of it getting done. Cause I was at work, but my boy Dev got the footage for y'all, man.